Good morning, everyone. This is Boys Team, and we're gonna report pistachio viral chocolate craze. So, our member Albert Alburo, Wendell Bersadi, Elmer Bersadi, Remil C. Dumutan, and Renier C. Villanueva. So, our objectives: understanding demand, understanding supply, understanding marketing equilibrium, and critical thinking. Understanding demand. What caused the sudden increase in demand for pistachios? So the sudden increase in demand for pistachios was caused by a viral trend on social media, especially TikTok, where pistachio-filled chocolate bars from Dubai gained massive attention, making many consumers want to buy pistachio or similar products. Second, which curve shift demand or supply, and in which direction? So, the demand curve shift, especially the demand curve shift to the right, indicating the increase in demand for pistachio due to viral trend.
Question number 3. Draw a simple graph showing the demand shift for pistachios due to the viral chocolate trend. My answer for these questions: a simple graph would show the original demand curve D1 shifting right to a new demand curve D2, while the supply curve remains the same, leading to a higher equilibrium price per quantity. Question number 4. Why can't pistachio supply immediately increase to meet rising demand? My answer for this question is pistachio supply cannot immediately increase because pistachios are an agricultural product with long production cycles. The trees require years to mature and harvesting is seasonal, so supply remains fixed in the short term despite increased demand.
How do long production cycles of pistachio trees affect market response? The answer is the long production cycles mean the market cannot quickly respond to sudden demand spikes. Producers cannot rapidly increase output, leading to supply constraints and price volatility. Part C. Market equilibrium. Question number 6. What happens to the equilibrium price and quantity of pistachios when demand rises sharply? My answer is when demand rises sharply and supply is fixed in the short run, the equilibrium price of pistachios increases due to the scarcity. The equilibrium quantity may increase only slightly or remain stable in the short term.
Number 7 question. If supply remains fixed in the short run, what problem arises in the market? The problem arising is a shortage or imbalance in the market where demand exceeds supply, causing higher prices and rationing or substitute products entering the market. First question in critical thinking. Number 8. How might chocolate producers respond to the high pistachio prices? Give at least 2 strategies. Chocolate producers might respond by: first, rising prices for pistachio chocolate products to reflect higher raw material costs. Second, offering alternative nut-based products like almond and hazelnut chocolates to satisfy customers and mitigate supply constraints case.
Number 9. If demand for pistachio chocolate decreases after the trend fades, what will happen to pistachio prices? If demand for pistachio chocolate decreases after the trend fades, pistachio prices will likely decrease due to lower demand and abundant supply relative to demand. Number 10. Can social media trends create long-term changes in markets, or are they usually short-term? So, social media trends can create both short-term and potentially long-term market changes. While many trends are short-lived, some can permanently shape consumer preferences or introduce new popular products that stay relevant beyond the initial viral phase.